Hey, so this is a video about finding the volume in problem number one. So in problem number one, we have a prism that has a pentagon for a base. So the bottom is a base, and it's important to note that the top of this prism is the same identical pentagon, because we're going to use that layer for surface area. But in this shape, so I'm sorry, the formula for volume is you take the base and you multiply it by the height. So the first thing we need to do is find out how much is the base. Well, the base, for this, the easiest way to find out the area of this base or the area of this pentagon is take the pentagon and break it up into 5 equivalent triangles. So each side, so here's a side length of 11, is a base of the triangle. So a base of 11, a base of 11, base of 11, base of 11, base of 11, assuming that this would be perfect. We assume that all of these are congruent. So all of these, there are 5 triangles with a base of 11, and all of them have a height of 7.57. So I can find the area of one triangle, because when I find the area of one of them, I'm finding the area for all of them. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. So we have 1/2 times 11. That's our base of this triangle, times the height, 7.57. So when I multiply those together, it's going to equal 41.635. Okay. So that is the area for one of those triangles. But we have more than one triangle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles in this pentagon. So this is what one triangle is worth. 5 triangles is going to be worth 5 times 41.635. Okay, so I have 5 times 41.635. And that's going to be 208.175. And that's a value of all those triangles put together. So all those triangles give me the base, which is my pentagon. So my base is 208.175 multiplied by my height, the height of the prism, that is. So the height of this prism is 4. From top to bottom, it's a height of 4 inches. So 208.175 times 4 is going to be 832.7. I'm sorry, that should be a 3. 832.7. And that's cubic inches, because we're talking about 3 dimensions. We're talking about cubic dimensions because we have 3 dimensions. Yep. So length and depth and height. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. The next video will be about finding the surface area.